In this example, we'll be finding the square root of 0.01. To do this, we want to turn this decimal of 0.01 into a fraction. 0.01 as a fraction is 1 over 100. Now that's our first step, but before we move forward, we want to review an important math rule. The square root of a over b, where a and b can be any values, is equal to the square root of a over the square root of b, meaning that if you have a fraction inside of a square root, you can then rewrite it as individual square roots with division in the middle. Now, let's use this to simplify our answer. So the square root of 0.01 is equal to the square root of 1 over 100, as the fraction here is equivalent to this decimal. Now we can rewrite this as the square root of 1 divided by the square root of 100. The square root of 1 is just equal to 1, as 1 squared, or 1 times 1 is 1. The square root of 100 is equal to 10, because 10 squared, or 10 times 10, is 100. Now we've written our answer as 1/10. 1/10 could also be written as 0.1 if you want to put it in decimal form. So to answer our question, the square root of 0.01 is equal to 1/10 or 0.1. This is our solution. Now to check our answer, we can multiply out 0.1 times 0.1. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, add our 0, 0 times 1 is 0, and then 0 times 0 is 0. When we add these together, we get 0, 0, 1, and then we have to move our decimal place 2 places backward because of the 2 values behind the decimal. 1, 2, we end up with 0.01, which is exactly what we had in the beginning, so we know 0.1 is the solution of the square root of 0.01.